I'm Ty Reichert, this is Redwood.Fish.
Hey guys, what's going on? Ty here from Redwood.Fish. This video is going to be a little bit different from our fishing videos. This is going to be the top 5 features that I really like about my 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. I thought I'd share this because when I was looking for information about the Dodge Rams online, I couldn't find a lot of information. There were a few videos with some reviews. This isn't going to be like stuff that people have never heard of unless you're really interested in Dodge Ram and it's new to you. Let me clean that up a little bit. I am out at the coast. I did get hit by a couple waves fishing over there a little while ago. So check this out where I am really quickly before I show you the truck. Look how beautiful this place is. Stop already. Okay, anyways. Yep, so here's my Dodge Ram full of fishing gear and all kinds of other crap. I'm gonna get the drone up in a minute. This is a Patriot Blue Dodge Ram 2500 BigHorn edition. And it's pretty stock, you know, this isn't some special top of the line. It's got the Hemi 6.4 liter V8 in it. The tires are stock. The color's Patriot Blue. I didn't need the world's most expensive truck. I needed something semi-heavy duty that would tow our trailer and our boat and those kinds of things and get me to places where I need to go. So I'm going to convert this more into like an overland vehicle over time. I did get a truck bed tent. I might have video. Let's cut to that really quick so you can see what that looks like. But anyways, back to the top 5 features that I really like about this Dodge Ram. Let's start in the back. This isn't rocket science or new for any kind of truck, but newer trucks have this, but it's cool. These are LED lights. There's LED lights on both sides of the bed. That's gonna be nice when I get a camper shell on here or when I have my truck tent on here, you won't really be able to use those lights. Some of the higher end models come with like a 12-volt power outlet on the side, which is kind of cool. Okay, so that was one feature that I kind of like. Maybe I'll do more than 5, we'll see. Another feature that I recently came across, which I really like, are these controls behind the steering wheel. Can you see this right here? These control the radio, the volume. It's really nice because you can be driving along with your hands like this and you can change stations or tune for, you could go from AM to FM to play different songs on CarPlay and things like that. The volume controls are right there. I thought that was pretty cool. So behind the steering wheel, you have additional controls. Probably my most favorite feature of this Ram is the 8-inch screen. Let me see if I can, it's got apps and all kinds of controls and things you can use. But anyways, so when you have time, you could go to Ram's website and probably see some cool videos about that or Google them. Anyways, the 8-inch screen is super nice. It's got a backup camera and stuff like that. That's cool. Another cool feature is the auto adjustable pedals. So you can see the pedals moving. My wife is a lot shorter than me. So when she wants to drive this vehicle, she can raise the pedal and the gas and the brake up to her leg height, which is more comfortable for her. Yeah, so that was really cool, is the adjustable pedal, gas pedal and brake pedal for shorter people. Another kind, let me come around to the other side. Here's what it looks like from the back seat. Of course, when you have a 4-year-old, you need a car seat. There's a couple things back here that are really cool, which I'll show you. All right, so I'm gonna take you around to the other side because not only is there better lighting from over here, it's really pretty, but you'll be able to see what I want to show you next. I put these step-up bars on myself. This truck did not come with step-up bars. Wow, look how dirty it got driving in here. That's important because depending on what model you buy, it might have those. I added these. They're fairly inexpensive. I put them on myself. It was super easy to do. Okay, the best features of this truck, in my opinion, are a couple fun things that are in the back seat. And the first one is down here. On both sides of the back seat, these are nice heavy-duty floor mats, by the way, and they came with this truck, so I'm super happy about that, as much as my kids and I will just thrash in here. Anyway, so you lift these up, and look what you have here, a cooler storage. So although it's kind of a pain in the ass with the rubber floor mats. That's a cooler that you can put ice in or store stuff in, and this whole thing comes out too. So I'm gonna pop it up. You could take this out of the vehicle, wash it out, put drinks in there, ice, whatever. It's really nice. And the cool thing about this is that container is on that side too. So it's on both sides of the back seat under the floor mat. Probably the most important feature for me when I'm gonna do off-road stuff, if I don't have the tent, is I can sleep back here. So these seats will fold open, and this is a platform that comes down, which is really cool. I apologize if the lighting is funny because the sun is right behind me. Anyways, so that opens up and then goes here. This is a platform. That seat also folds up, although I have the baby's car seat right there. I apologize, I can't do it right now because it's really a pain in the ass to take out and put back in. Anyways, if I'm solo and I don't have the car seat, I can fold that one down as well, and it extends this whole distance. I want to say it's probably like, not quite 6 feet, or maybe 6 feet or so, which is not huge, but the width is pretty good. So imagine if you have this space with, this is a little air mattress that self-inflates. I can lay this down all the way across, blow it up. It's a small air mattress, about 4 inches thick. Put these seats forward a little bit, and then I can sleep back here when I'm road tripping, which is really nice. If it's too cold to put the tent up in the back, I can use this area to sleep, or one of the kids can. Say Cooper and I, my 12-year-old son, are sleeping in the back. Easton, my 9-year-old, can sleep here, or vice versa. Any one of us. I probably wouldn't put myself in here and them two out there, but one of them could sleep back here and they would like that. So that's really cool. A couple things that Ram added. I don't know if you can see that okay, but there's the like Pythagorean theorem on here. There's a fraction to decimal chart, standard metric wrench conversion chart, and another ratios formula up at the top. I can barely see it. Anyways, that's kind of cool. Another thing you can I don't know if you can see it, but down here is the different versions of the Ram trucks. It's hard to see it. Let me see if I get a light on my phone. You can see the different versions of the Ram trucks. They like printed that in there. Yeah, this storage is pretty good here. This opens up to storage, a bunch of shit in there. And then it's got cup holders. Anyways, this whole thing adjusts. So you can put your phone here, move that forward, bring that back. You've got storage back here. I love how convertible this whole setup is for different needs. You can put your phone here. It's got this little hidden storage down here. I've got USB Type-C, regular USB plugs here for charging my phone, connecting to CarPlay, charging my cameras. I really like that. Other than that, it's got a little glove box there, another one here. I think that's about it. I'm gonna put my glasses. Huh, weird. Oh, here they are. Anyways, so this video is for those people who are interested or want to buy a Ram truck, and they want to learn a little bit more about the BigHorn edition. Like I said, middle of the road, average truck. It's got a V8, 4-wheel drive, the stuff that we need. We're going up to the snow in a couple days, so that'll be good to see how that goes. I want to see how this truck performs in the snow. What's on the screen? Scratch. Jeez. Anyways, well, I'm Ty Reichert. This is Redwood.Fish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my fishing videos. I have a channel dedicated to fishing. It's not dedicated to trucks, but I wanted to show you guys this truck. And as I continue to convert this to an overland vehicle, I'll document it for you guys. Anyways, go watch my crab video. Go watch my fishing videos. I love to be outside. I'm Ty Reichert. This is Redwood.Fish, and I'm gone. Wait a minute. I almost forgot. Cut to the drone footage.
do like this video, hit that subscribe button right here or here, and that way you can stay in tune and follow our channel. It's free to subscribe, and basically what it's saying is that you will get updated when you'll get notified when a new video is posted, so you can see our latest videos. Okay, right on. I'm Ty Reichert. I'm out.